Amy, thank you. New at 10 tonight. New legislation could change how teens who commit one of the most serious crimes here in Utah are eventually handled.
As the law stands now, somebody who commits aggravated murder as a juvenile but is an adult when convicted doesn't go to prison. Instead, they go to secure care, which is essentially juvie, until they're 25 years old.
A new bill would give judges the option to send young convicts straight to prison instead. David Ochoa joins us live tonight. And David, who would qualify for this?
Well, it's a relatively small amount of people. It's 17-year-olds that commit aggravated murder and then are sentenced as an adult. However, one law expert that I talked to told me that that could change in the future and even expand. Utah has seen its share of serious crimes committed by juveniles recently. Last month, 3 16-year-olds were arrested for murder, all in separate incidents. And we saw the effect it had on some of the victims' families.
It's hard. It's so hard.
Although this bill wouldn't apply to the accused in those cases, prosecutor Scott Burns said he's experienced cases that it would apply to.
I was in the unique position last year of explaining to an entire roomful, as was my share of family members, why their 16-year-old daughter, niece, sister, loved one was brutally murdered, executed, convicted of aggravated murder, which in a few months he would have been an adult and it would have been a death penalty case, was in a juvenile detention facility and not the Utah State Prison.
What is the benefit of this?
What happens in the criminal court and under criminal law is that you see a pendulum that swings. And some people could view that pendulum as swinging way too far and being lenient.
Nathan Evershed is a former prosecutor and current defense attorney, so he's been on both sides of things. And he says although the circumstances for this bill are narrow now, they could expand in the future.
But don't be surprised if it begins to apply to more circumstances. That's the way it works in the criminal law, is that they begin to chip away at more and more of those things.
Now, Evershed explained that expansion should come in the form of expanding it to 16-year-olds or to all homicides, etc. Now, that bill did pass committee, so now it's going on to the next steps before it might come law and then go into law later, or next May. Reporting live, David Ochoa, KUTV 2 News.